Today, we're going to be building a new track. I recently started digging something else, but I decided that today we're going to use this area and do something with this board. So I'm going to just start digging from here, and I'm going to dig all the way to the end, all the way down to the other part of the main trail. I wasn't entirely sure what I was going to do today, but I decided to go out. So the part where it goes up to our rock crawl, that's how you access it. And I had a little slip. The hill's kind of steep, or not really kind of, it's really steep. The easiest way to build these is to just use the rounded shovel and dig down and move the dirt a little bit, and then use the rake to kind of push it to the side. And then from there, I use the flathead shovel and like I'm doing now, and then I try and make it a little wider, that way the truck doesn't fall off the edge, but I kind of flatten it, and then once I get that dirt I just like shaved off of it, I use the rake again and put it to the side, and then I keep doing that along the thing.
Man, it is hot.
Then I flatten all the dirt out and try and move the dirt off the side a little more. That way the truck has some room, that it's narrow, so that it's more challenging, but also at the same time that it's not too thin to where it would fall off the edge, because my truck has fallen off the hill before, which wasn't very good. And now the only way to see if the truck fits is to actually test it. So this is my truck. It is the Red Cat Racing Gen 8 Scout 2. It is based off the International Scout, which is an awesome truck. It would be fun to have, but I painted the wheels black, and then I have a rope on the bumper because it just adds a little more like difference to it so that it doesn't look like all the other ones. So here I am, I'm just walking beside it just in case it slips, because on the right side of where I'm standing is like the steepest part of our hill and I didn't want it to fall, so I'm just kind of standing there making sure that it doesn't fall off the side because I can't have my truck break again. But just gonna flip it around, and my truck is 1/10 scale, but I'm going the other way now just to see each way to make sure that it completely fits and that it does not fall.
It fits.
Now I'm walking over here, so this is the left side of our hill. There is 2 wood pieces that was on a different obstacle, but I decided to move those because I didn't want them there anymore. And this wood piece I'm carrying was just flat and it kind of didn't have a purpose, and I wanted it to be more of an incline, and then this would also be used on the obstacle. So as I said, that board in the beginning, I wanted to use that, so I ended up using it for this. So you go up and over, and I ended up dropping a brake and scrape my hand, but this is the finished product. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video of me building the course, make sure to comment down below what you want to see, and I'll see you guys next time.